Hi guys, I was gifted this LiberLive propane gas tankless water heater from the seller, so I could show you all its cool features and how it's packaged and what you're gonna get when you buy it. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box here. It does come with an instruction manual here, user manual. It does come with screws and some anchor bolts if you need to put it in concrete. It also has some black mollies here, so you have everything you need to install it on your wall. Now, let's take it out. It's all packaged in foam for safe travels. This is a propane tankless water heater. It will provide you with endless supply of hot water. You don't ever have to worry about running out of hot water like those tank style hot water heaters. Its compact design will save space in your house. This is designed for indoor installation and CSA certified. This is equipped with multiple safety mechanisms, so it can be safely operated. It is compatible with a standard 3-inch outer diameter vents. All it needs is a 120 volt AC power supply. So just plug this into a regular outlet. We use a 1/2-inch NPT fitting size, making it standard and suitable for most houses in the US. It does require some installation and drilling. You'll need the 3-inch diameter exhaust pipe to install it. And don't forget that operating voltage of 120 volts. If you want endless hot water, and go ahead and get you this one. It's going to work out great for you. Thanks.